Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do bank transfers on Xero. This is an essential skill for managing your business finances efficiently, allowing you to move funds between your accounts seamlessly within the platform. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to Xero by opening your browser and typing in xero.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all your financial data and tools. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the top menu bar, click on Accounting, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Bank Accounts. This section is where all your connected bank accounts live, giving you a comprehensive view of your business finances in one place. Next, you'll see a list of all your bank accounts. Choose the specific bank account you wish to send funds from. Once you've selected it, look over to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Manage Account. Click on this button to access more detailed options for managing this particular account. After clicking Manage Account, a small window will pop up on your screen. This window contains several useful actions you can perform. Look for the section labeled New, and from the options listed there, click on Transfer Money. This is what will initiate the transfer process between your accounts. A transfer form will now appear on your screen. The first thing you'll see is the From Account field. Here you should confirm that the account displayed is indeed the one you want to transfer money from. It's always good to double check this to avoid any mistakes. Just below that, you'll find the To Account field. Click on this field and a drop-down menu will appear, showing you all your available destination accounts. Select the bank account where you want the funds to be transferred. This ensures your money moves to exactly the right place. Now it's time to specify how much you want to transfer. Type the transfer amount in the provided field. Be precise here, as this is the exact amount that will be moved between your accounts. You'll also notice a reference or description field. While this is optional, it's highly recommended to type in a reference or memo here. This helps you keep track of why the transfer was made, which is incredibly useful when reviewing your transaction history later. Finally, once you've reviewed all the details and confirmed everything looks correct, click Transfer to complete the process. Your transfer will be recorded immediately in Xero and both accounts will reflect the change. And that's it. You've successfully completed a bank transfer in Xero, giving you better control over your business cash flow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.